Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see an important feature in SolidWorks that is related to the mate. It's related to an advanced mate. It can greatly improve our work efficiency, especially when you are designing. So let's dive into the video and see what is it. So today we are going to see about the with mate and the advanced features that are available in it. To start with, I have already constrained this pulley about this axis. So now I will edit this mate and go to advanced mate option and I will select with mate. So here it asks for two references. First reference is the component that you are going to mate, and second reference you can give the component that you are mating against. So for the first reference, I'll choose the either end of pulley, and for the second reference, I'm going to choose bracket at the left and the right. So now you can see the component is perfectly aligned at the center. So this is a very useful feature. I'll go ahead and measure and show you. So you can see the dimension is 10 mm. You can also go to evaluate option and click measure, and if you can see the dimension is 10 mm. So what would happen if we don't have this mate is basically you have to select these two faces and say the distance is 10 mm between this. And this is okay in this component. Suppose if you are dealing with a large assembly, each time you change the width, suppose let's say I'm going and editing this bracket and saying increasing it by 10 mm. Due to this width mate, what would happen is it would automatically adjust and again it would be at the center. Whereas if I have given a distance from one end, what would happen is again I have to go measure the difference between the mating parts and then I have to adjust it. So this is one way this mate will improve your efficiency a lot. Apart from this, there are also other advanced option within the with mate. So we'll see that. So I can select the existing mate and edit it. And here you can see the constraint that we are given is centered. We have multiple options: free, dimension, percentage. Now let's go one by one and see what is it. So when I give free, you can see the component is allowed to move within the reference. That is, the component is bounded by the reference that I have given. So this will be useful. Let's assume even if you want to make something like a cylinder, so which has a maximum extension and the maximum retraction. So you can say this cylinder spool is bound to move between the maximum and the minimum. So this way, this free command is going to be really useful for you. And you can see when I move the pulley, whatever boundary I have sent, it is moving to the maximum to that extent. So now let me go ahead and edit that. Now I'll give distance. So here distance, it is showing an arrow which indicates from which face the distance is calculated. So I can say 5 or 10. So irrespective of the variation in the mating parts, it would always maintain this. So whatever 5 I have given is equivalent to a distance mate. And now let's go and choose this option, that is percentage. You can also say it has to be always at 25% or 50% or 70%. So these are the different options within the with mate. So I hope this video will be really helpful for you, and make use of this with mate. This would increase your work efficiency a lot. And in percentage, you cannot give more than 100. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more interesting videos on SolidWorks. In case if you want us to do any videos on specific topics or on some advanced topics, please do comment in the comment box. So it would be helping us to plan our next video on that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video would have been helpful to you. If it really helped, give a like, and please do subscribe to our channel and support us in the upcoming videos. And also don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon.